Hi everyone, my name is Keith, a machine expert with USACLEAN for 12 years, and this is the Tennant Boss 2000 LE carpet extractor. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to keep your machine running at peak performance and minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. So we need to replace your suction hose because it's damaged. Easiest way to do this, take it from the top of your recovery, spin the hose cuff off. Now feed the hose down through the console and remove it from the underside of the shoe. Just like that. Now just reverse the steps, get your new hose, put it back on your shoe. Feed the hose back up through the console. Tighten your hose cuff onto the hose. Put it back into the recovery tank. And you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.